Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how to simplify this one. So we have y and y we can do about factorization. Next, about x, that is about the square root of x to the power of 2. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we got like this. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about y and the square root of x plus y. About this one, it is missing about this one. Now we need to combine three fractions in here, and that should be like this. And now we need to distribute this one to this one and this one. So we have like this. This one, that is about x minus y squared. So negative of the square root of x multiplied by this one and this one. So if we simplify this one in here, you got number 0. And the answer that is about number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.